Wagwan, my people, you're welcome back to MS Live. This is the biggest show in the continent right now, and I have my next, should I say guest or group? My next group in the building. Kantamanto Traphouse in the building. Let me hear you say, yeah. Charlie, ready? I'm the Kantamanto about is Legon. Yeah, we're MS Traphouse. Tell you, trapping kwa I say. Charlie, brother man, everything cool.
Everything cool.
Brother man, I beg, what be your name?
My name is Kwame Duke.
Kwame Duke.
Yeah.
Okay. Madam, you be man or
woman.
You be woman? Okay, yeah. I beg your name.
I like they build my body.
Traveler.
Okay. Okay, nice. I beg your name.
My name be Lil Betty. Some people they call me Emilia for them too.
Hey, Charlie.
Yeah.
Craziness, brother man. I beg the mic. I beg pass the mic. I beg your name again.
My name be Lil Betty. And some people they call me Emilia too for them.
Okay. Yeah. Lil Betty or Emilia. Yeah. Okay. Brother man.
Good boy Pizarro.
Okay. Cool name. Senior man.
Lexis Fane.
Okay. Canada.
Black Boy Canada.
Black Boy Canada. Genesis. Okay.
See that one though.
Okay.
Yeah, Rich Kim.
Rich Kim.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the name be Mark Alden. The trip side be Plug a Star.
Hey, Charlie.
Yeah, the name be Thrift Nyame. They here say you but where the music side be Younger Vena.
Okay.
OG, you hear Big and Mary Blunt.
Bema, cause no form.
Say you hear Big and Mary Blunt.
Okay.
Yeah, so the name be Ni Awule.
Okay.
But the business side is this them closet, yes.
Okay. Nice one, brother man.
Yeah.
Bro Duke, I want us to get straight into it.
All right.
How did you guys started all this initiative? Try to make it a movement so people get to know you guys.
So it's a brand, it's a solid compilation of amazing talents.
Okay.
You know, when amazing stars come together, great minds think alike. So these young men came together, they put together amazing talents. As I said, it's not just music. We have fashion boys, we have stylists, we have models, we have DJs, everything when it comes to craft. But it happens to be that Kantamanto Traphouse is where the meeting point, where we meet, take ideas, make the business. Money is key.
Okay.
So where we meet for there, we gather the money, then we go take support to the music, support the dance, everything. But it happens for the Traphouse, where we meet, we pick the mind 1 or 2, and then energy started.
Okay. But why did you guys decide to choose Kantamanto? You guys could have maybe choose a lot of places. You
That be the
choose
home.
East Legon, Adenta, but why Kantamanto?
That be the home. That be the home.
Okay.
As I said, the main hustle be the thrift selling.
Okay.
In fact, it's not just thrift. Let me correct that. It's not just thrift. So aside from this, we sell original clothes too.
Okay.
You know, just to fix it. Everybody thinks they Kantamanto there. But no. We get the original Prada. We get the original Gucci. We get everything.
Yeah.
You understand? But it happens to be that is where we dey meet. You two Ejumani if you are near that coast street.
Yeah. For real.
So it's Kantamanto because when Ejumani started.
Yeah, and then I want to have one.
Exactly.
One and new man who pepe pia.
About my Genesis, you know, train. What you say? Truth, I make train.
Obia jina.
Now, you may studio daytime your Kanta. Ejumani.
Okay. Yeah. But how did it start for you guys? How did it start? Like, did it start from just the thrift, or the music came along, or the music promo came along?
Thrift, Nyame go say something for me on that one.
Senior man, Kasamami, Mimi, I'll bet me about say.
All right. Okay, so so you talk about the business aspect.
Yeah, the business, and how did you guys got
some
into
some of us came from broken home. Me personally, like this, I lost my mom when I was in SHS. So
condolences, bro.
This be one of my guy. This be my guy will bring me for Kantamanto.
Okay.
So there was no anything we man could do. So after school, we just decided to come on the street and come hustle. So Kantamanto be home. Like some of us we sleep for dead and everything. It be like a home. That be one at home. Nothing else. Kantamanto be place of real stories. People with broken backgrounds, no parents, people with that be the hustle. People they sleep for outside for Kantamanto. So it be like a community. So we hold each other down. With talent and everything. So we decided to build one our own thing. We support or not, we go hold each other down and try to do one our own thing. So aside the selling, some of us day into music, some of us day into styling and everything. So we try push everything on our own. So this thing it just happened organically. We don't even plan them. It just happened.
Okay.
The energy, the
But who
everything
came up
just
with the idea? Say, Charlie, I
just
do start
happened.
here.
I think it was just one Saturday after work. Then everything boys they jam to the vibe. Then it just went out. It wasn't intentional. I know be something we really plan. Say this be what we come do. It just happened organically. And it happens to be this way. So Charlie, it be God's plan.
Okay.
Yeah.
God's plan. I love it. So which song did you guys start with?
I think the song that went viral be Black Hole.
Yeah.
Black Hole. We've been jamming to all the big artists. While Asaka,
Okay.
So I think the one that went viral be Black Hole in one, and the few artists them I want to.
The moment you sing along and I say, see, I'm meeting my freestyle, bro.
Oh, some of us they into music. Me like this, I they into music. My guy and yeah, this guy too. And we are many, be all of them with them they here. So aside we jamming to other people's song to promote Ghana music as a whole and the thrift business community, we just want to change the perception about like you being at Kantamanto or you being on the street. With the help sustain fashion and everything. Because some majority of the false clothes we sell, they end up at the beach side and everything. They kill the fishes and everything. So sustainability 2 day more. So we repurpose the fashion. In case you buy clothes, second-hand clothes, instead of you just go throw them away. You go feel restyle and you go feel cut, do something else, restyle them again and everything. So it's not just about it be a whole movement, a whole thing. So now we start. So more things to come.
So right now, you guys, you are on a major platform.
Yeah.
What are some of the misconceptions that people have about people who stays at Kantamanto? What are some of the misconceptions you guys want to change the narrative which is out there?
I think the first one be anytime anybody wants to find a drug story, they go easily talk to Kanta. You know, I believe that should change. You understand? If you want to rather inform the street to stop, come to us. Don't just come and look for the bad boys in our corner. You understand? The conception is that if you enter Kanta, they go pick your pocket. They go rob you. If you say they buy jeans size 6, they will give you size 12 and take the money and run. You get all those stories, those streets, but it's a lie. Trust me, they get genuine businesses. If trade now meet the scam boys, I go blow.
Definitely bad ones go they mix and everything. We they get complaints of somebody. I come town, they come buy something. My phone, somebody pick me. So right now, Traphouse Day, you get a name. You come there, you be safe. Nobody will take anything from you. You select everything yourself. Whatever you want there, you buy it. Nobody forces you. You understand? So nobody will pick you. You just give a call that, oh, you won't come buy this and that. We go come pick you, come there. Whatever they want, we get some from t-shirt, jeans, sneakers, winter jacket, and everything. Including the ones we don't get safe. We can direct you to a place that you can get some, that you'll be safe, then everything with no problem. So Kantaman to be home, you'll be safe. Everybody for pass through. That'll be the thing.
You say you be artists. So which genre of music do you do?
I did into melodic trap.
Melodic trap.
We talk, we preach one of stories from the street and everything. The hustle.
All right. So brother man, you two, you be artists. Yeah, I beg, give him the mic. I beg, which genre of music do you do?
Yeah, so actually I do we the twist do like I'm a piano trap.
I'm a piano trap.
Trap, yeah.
Okay, then give us Charlie for sport though. I'm a piano trap.
Yeah, I'm a piano trap. Yeah.
Charlie to my freestyle kakra me who.
I say high jam, play the beats, give me feeling high time. All the cities, how you feeling? How far? To the street where I'm from, no cap. Yeah, now it's 10 over 10. Bad man, one stream, one dance. For sure, the table gone 10. On God did no friends. Hey, when your people don't care, give space, brother man, don't stress. Do your own, yes. One day dreams gonna make sense. Real. Yeah, so that be the thing. Traphouse.
I beg back. I want to know the role each member plays in the Traphouse, Kantamanto Traphouse. So Lil Betty, what be your role?
Okay, me, I dey take care of them on social media.
Okay.
If we do videos, I dey post them.
Okay.
So we have a lot of social medias. I'm handling about 4 of them. And I think my brother behind you is also handling 1 of them.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what I do.
What about you?
I only do freestyles for artists.
Okay.
Yeah, and most of the times I do freestyles based on dancehall.
Yeah. We are dancehall.
Yeah.
But I say so for power. They want to so for me. Where they can't come out to
Me more freestyle now. Me more freestyle. Me more freestyle.
Mommy freestyle.
See, or say 20 Matica Spark Wednesday. Empty barrel attack. Our them say send for your killer fast. Runs plenty. Flick a cock. The liquor spark. Don't envy. Baga pussy picture when they not stop send me. Bigger baggy. Watch it. Poo.
Mama freestyle. And the boy, my boat in MS Live in this morning. Live. Okay, brother man. You too. What you they do?
So it be we to take care of the Instagram part, then other social media and those as well. And also the fashion aspect. We are into the fashion aspect. Yeah.
Okay. Canada.
Me sure your friend say me sure artist for on the side. Say artist for me backstage in there. I'm on the shame in man.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Genesis now swear.
Head of organization. Because we be
Yeah, smooth. Yo.
Yeah, I'm in the PR.
PR. Okay, nice.
I'm also into fashion.
Also into fashion.
I'm
Charlie.
Chief Zone.
Bro, and also to be best sell how mommy o minya. Yeah, be back Kantamanto.
Sure.
Okay.
I also dig into the PR aspect, but I do more research about the advantages from the thrift way we do, not just the thrift clothing, but the bigger picture. So more like a researcher in the PR. And also the sell too. That be thrifting, I mean.
Brother man, so
apart from the music, I do thrift. Yeah, I be jeans plug. Anything baggy, jorts, shorts, everything. Like, I got you covered.
Vim.
Okay, bro. Me, I be artist. Aside the music too, as another plug.
Charlie, also by my freestyle, me yeah. The way they do music, where you become an idiot. Charlie. Jenna Ben, how you mean?
Oh, I did do that normal.
Patch your mic, man.
Traps and rap, yeah.
Okay, mommy freestyle, me yeah.
Shays, you give me space, take off pussy's trying to fucking be me. Fuck your thoughts, where you from?
Yes, I know one thing, Charlie. I know. Rap still making me stopping it down, kakra. Yenim Saba, we day life. I beg, brother man. Stepping it down, kakra, man.
Okay, bro. You give me space, take off pussy's trying to fucking be me. Fuck your thoughts, where you from? Yeah, we all screaming.
Okay.
I said down there, man.
Nice one.
What can you do, Papa?
Charlie, Minya. Oh, sorry, Minya.
So as my sister said over there, I handle the TikTok side, the social media aspect, and then apart from that side, I'm attending school.
Okay.
I'm at the ATU. I'm into logistics and transport management.
Nice.
So that's what we do, and we want the public to know that Kantamanto Traphouse is here to stay for life. Yeah.
Nice one. Minya. Really, I said time is fast spent by Charlie. I was saying you're interviewing everybody. You're the back Kantamanto Traphouse.
We're there for you.
Yeah, twice. So social media, where can we reach out to you guys?
So social media is Kantamanto Traphouse. Yes. Everywhere is Kantamanto Traphouse.
Everywhere is Kantamanto Traphouse.
I think apart from our Traphouse social media, everybody has a platform where we do our sales from.
Okay.
Yeah, so I would like everybody to mention their platform.
Hey, Charlie, time.
Mine is Thrift Corner.
Time.
Thrift side.
Okay.
Thrift Zone.
Charlie, wait there time in the corner.
I'll be thrifting, yami.
Fast.
So I'll be plug a star, Mark out, and I'm 100 Kantamanto daily.
Charlie, fast one.
Oh, this big Amiri Blunt on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah, this them closet.
Nice one. Brother man, you two, you did
So me, I don't thrift. I'm a marketing expert.
Okay.
And a marketing consultant. And I just want the people to know that there's something big coming.
Okay.
We are bringing the Traphouse experience. Traphouse experience is amazing clothes deals.
Okay.
So if you love thrift, Nyame, if you travel all of them, come. We are going to give you, we'll come out the location.
Okay.
When you come, you get amazing clothing deals. You get to see all the talents. We'll have an amazing DJ set. All the vibe you see in the Traphouse, we'll bring to you.
Nice one, brother man. Okay, this is my brothers in the building from Kantamanto Traphouse. Amazing conversation. I go by the name Mac Moulton. You can follow us on socials, MS34GH, #MS Live. Love conquers all. Peace. I'm out.